Nestled in the heart of northwest Montana lies a stretch of mountains 35 miles long and 4 miles wide. These mountains are one of the last untamed areas in the lower 48 states. With 94,000 acres of rugged terrain, dense forest, and hidden trails, adventure awaits. This is the Cabinet Mountains Wilderness. And these mountains, well, they're my playground.
Hey everybody out there in YouTube wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. Welcome to another edition of Conquering the Cabinets. Today, Blitz, Yuli, and Cody and I are heading in to St. Paul Lake. Actually not named after the St. Paul himself, but more so the railroad company, St. Paul. They later merged with Northern Railroad to form Great Northern Railroad. So I have mixed feelings about St. Paul Lake. The trail itself has got to be my top 3 because it's just friggin' beautiful. If you're into moss porn, this is your trail. Old growth cedars, this is it. The lake itself, however, it's not my cup of tea. It's really not that pretty of a lake, as you're gonna see. And the other issue I have, I would never camp up here because there's really only 2 good camp spots, and one of them is right in the middle of the trail.
Jesse, look what I found. A bone like this can only mean one thing. Murder.
Behind me here is where I will be heading up the ridgeline to Isabella Lake. Doesn't look bad at all. Not at all. What they don't tell you is that you hit all your elevation on the last part of the trail. But with that being said, the views are starting to open up. What type of sandwich is it?
The eaten kind.
What type of meat is it?
It's vegetarian?
Yes, it's vegetarian. I have to watch my blood pressure. Veggie lovers. Actually, it's not bad. Adios, St. Paul Lake. Hey, I'll admit when I was wrong. But I'll tell you, I'm still not going to camp here. Nope.
Cabinet Mountains do not disappoint.